Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean a headphone jack. The jack in a phone, Samsung Galaxy A20e. So for this we need a tapered brush, one that starts thin and gets thicker. It should be about 3 centimeters long. We need isopropyl alcohol. It should be 100% pure, so it can thoroughly clean all the contacts in the headphone jack, and then evaporate completely, leaving no trace. You can buy both of these items as a set, Allegro or Amazon. Unfortunately, without this you won't be able to clean the jack, because you need this kind of round brush, and it's rather hard to find it in any other set. So first we need to turn off the phone. Never clean your phone while it's turned on. After turning off the phone, spray the brush with alcohol, thoroughly. Once you've sprayed it, if you don't have a diffuser, you can simply pour some alcohol into a small container and dip the brush in it. Take your phone, set it to the side, and focus on the headphone jack. Here it is. So insert the brush all the way in, as far as it will go. Take the brush and twist it to the right 5 times, then to the left 5 times, and pull it out. Repeat this about 5 times each time. I said 5 times because I needed the action to make sure the contacts inside were pressed perfectly, of the jack. If there was any dirt, or if something got slightly spilled on it, this will press everything in without any problem. Alcohol in the brush, so we'll have a new jack, and it will work perfectly, just like in a new phone. But as I said, it is certainly worth repeating this point about 5 times, so that the number of movements is much greater than usual. Turning it just once, twice, or 3 times is definitely not going to be enough, and won't properly clean the jack's internal parts inside. After this procedure, set the phone aside for a while, about 10 to 15 minutes, so that the alcohol we've applied to the jack can evaporate, and then you can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.